Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage thumbnail settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings, and here we'll find thumbnail settings. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage as you want. And that's it. That's how to manage thumbnail settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.